Hello to my Latinos. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yo, but I'm on my way to the Crofton meet. I started not to go up just when I feel like I like drive. I just hate dealing with like dumb people. Look who it is. Hey. I don't know anything But I'm about to go do things. I'll be back. Oh shit, this was the one. This was the one that I couldn't get like at night when we were somewhere. Yeah, that's the one that was there that night. That shit is like boss. I want to touch it. This is the car for me because all this. See, look, I'm not gonna attempt to scare her because like for some reason she always look. I'm about to do it. No. No? She didn't. She didn't look. This is drifting? Yeah. Oh! Oh, what's up, what's up, what's up? What's that? What's up, man? Fine. You taking care of my car though, right? Yeah. I like the color. Thank you. Oh, it's another! That's right, Team Honda. Gang, gang, gang. Oh, no, it's like you look just like her. Like, oh my, I forgot. I don't know her name on Instagram. She posts car stuff too. But she's. Look at my girl. I'm so proud. We're one of my favorite. Gang, gang. Okay. Hey. Is that lunch meat sandwiches? Yes, it is. There you go. He probably don't even remember me. So I'm not as what the? This is Trevor. This, there you go. That's Bay right there. I finally saw one. You gonna park in? You gonna park in? You gonna park? There we go. Man, I'm not focusing. It says long live Dwayne. But yeah. Look at her getting violent and shit. Which one is lunch meat sandwiches? Is that one? And that one? I'm not a fighter, I'm a lover. Hey Alex, I want to touch it. Yo, I see this damn car like all the time. Like what the hell's car is that? Yep, there they go. Hold up. Is this the same guy? I don't know. What the fuck are you barking at? I don't know. It explains so fucking much. Wait, what? Okay, I'm so confused. What he doing? Say no. Hey. This dude is mean.
This is J Flip beat.
Yeah. Yeah. Check. Watch this. Watch when it drop. When I go in on the beat, it's just something sick and so sweet. And I see you flirting with victory, got the kiss of defeat. There's a hint of deceit in between your lips when you're speaking. So I ain't trying to be buddy, you bitches are weak. When you talk in the streets, well, I'm just assaulting the beat. And you think I ain't...
Going? Who the hell said they could leave?
Fuck yeah, baby!
I love your car. Let me touch it.
This is ruined.
Oh, Mustang. Oh, we here. Damn it, so I got
What am I gonna do? God help me. That's the only thing I could do. What was done wrong? Everything. So, Mike, how's that camp? Hold on, man. The bitch that goes down.
Oh, it doesn't focus. Follow. Shit is beast. It doesn't have Instagram. I thought he was about to do it. Revving. Which one? It's too far. You know where FedEx Field is? Yeah. Dang, you go up there? They still do crazy stuff.
I can tell it's different. I can tell. That's it.
Run it. Run it.
Yo, I want to see that Panda Mustang. That's not. Oh, that is.
Nice ride, man.
Bro. I only seen it on YouTube. I never seen it in person. What's up? What's up? Oh my God! Anthony! Oh crap! What's up, man? Hey, it don't matter. Oh, homies. Oh, look at this naked man and curly man.
What's up, curly motherfucker?
He finally came out, bruh.
Yeah, I ain't got a license, so I had to find a way out.
What the fuck? Hey, look, I gotta go. I'm gonna go molest the car.
Hey, I got a car that
This dude is always working. Don't be hating on my man. You better recognize. Don't be mugging him. Hey, I wasn't talking to you. I'm just doing things. Oh shit, where does Evo come from? Oh, but no, look at this. Look at it. I found my...
I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it.
I found my little brother! Yeah. Trevor! I want one so bad. See, it's just like I'm scared of the drivers. The other drivers.
That's the sketchy
Yeah.
part. But I haven't had any issues yet. Well, now a lady pulled out in front of me today, so never mind.
What the fuck? Oh! Oh! Fucking Mopar. Yo, son, look at all this shit. Look at all this fucking space. All that space. Look at all this shit. And look where the fuck they parked. They probably hit my shit too. But you see how this car's parked? Right there, right? This motherfucker parks on the side, or like on the other side with like inches. Then like as soon as I move it, he's the motherfucker when I move his car. Fucking asshole.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.